Hi everyone, happy Tappin Tuesday. This week's exercise is for my absolute beginners, or what I like to call my never too late people. Hello to my absolute beginners. I hope everyone is doing well. In this week's Tappin Tuesday, we are going to be working with shuffles. So we are going to start with nice slow shuffles. We'll start with the right foot. You're going to do 3 shuffles, and then you're going to do a stamp or a flat-footed step. So that's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, I'm going to turn sideways because I want you to work on how you are using those feet. So you're going to pick up the foot from the hip, bend that knee. The shuffle is going to stay all in front of that supporting leg. 1 and 2 and 3 and stamp. Okay, so you are going to think about lifting the knee on that back brush of every shuffle. 1 and 2 and 3 and stamp. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and shuffle, 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 stamp. Then you do it on the left side. Shuffle, 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 stamp. Then you're going to do 4 shuffle stamps. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. And really think about lifting those knees at the end of every shuffle. Okay, let's go through that so far. That's the first little section. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, 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 stamp. Shuffle, 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 stamp. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Now we are going to do the same thing again, except this time when you're doing the 3 shuffles, we're going to do crossover shuffles. So that part will go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp. Then you're going to do 2 shuffle stamps, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Then you're going to do a shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, and another stamp. And that sets us up to start over on the left side. Before we do that, let's walk through it from the top. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Now we cross it over. We go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Left foot starts then. Okay, we'll walk through it slowly on the left side. I tell you, when I first put this together, I was doing shuffle steps, but I know it's really hard for beginners to stay on those toes. And we're going so slow, it makes it extra hard. So we're putting the whole foot down. When you do your stamps, you want to really try to make it just one sound and not step on the toe and then drop the heel. Everything's supposed to happen at the same time. All right, on the left side, we start with those 3 shuffles on each side. Shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, shuffle. Then we do our 4 shuffle steps. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Then we cross them over. We go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Then we go shuffle, stamp, shuffle, big finish, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay, can we put the right side and the left side together? All right, let's do it. Take a deep breath, relax. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, 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 stamp. Shuffle, 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 stamp. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Now we cross it over. We go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, stamp, start left. We go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, cross it over. We go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay, we're going to try it with music. We're just doing a little drum beat for our music today, just to kind of make sure you're staying in tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, cross it over. We go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, stamp, start left, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, cross it over, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, stamp.